True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of Bull Savannah in St. Elizabeth. So sit down and enjoy the ride with Fire Reid. I'm very close to the Bull Savannah Primary School, which is coming up on your right. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. Yeah, and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So you know this channel is all about our beautiful island Jamaica. It will take you to many different places in Jamaica that you never see, you only heard about it. So on your right, we have the Bull Savannah Primary School. If you make the right turn, it'll take you all to Little Ochi. Yeah man, you know what I'm calling here, Little Ochi, where you can do get your steamed fish, fried fish, all type of seafood there, guys. So you can tell me what you think about this area. Leave it in the comment section. Tell me what I go on. And you know, Bull Savannah is very close to Junction Town. It's about, depends from where you're coming from. It's about 7 minutes drive to Junction Town, can be less. So we're having some bumpy ride today. On your right, you have the HQ Mini Mart. Yeah man, big up all the hustler them. On your left, you have the Church of Christ in Bull Savannah. If you make the left turn, will take you back to the Church of Christ in Bull Savannah. Big up on yourself, Davari and Dante. Big up on yourself, anyone there. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. On your right, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church. On your right, you have the Bull Savannah Church of God. Think if you make the right turn, can take you all to Pen. So we are very close to Junction Town area. Coming up on your right, we have the BB Coke High School. On your right, it's the BB Coke High School. I'm gonna make a left turn, we'll take you all to Gregor's. Yeah man, this is where you can have your steamed fish, your jerk fish, any type of fish you can have right at this place right here. Yeah man, so when you come a junction, no need to check out the place here. Nice dining with the family, friends. So no need to check out the place when you come a junction. Very, very nice area, guys. Yeah man, so very close to BB Coke High School. So just check it out. I tried before and they do some nice steamed fish. Big up to the chef at Gregor's. Big up yourself. One love and one heart. Yeah man, so we're up on our journey, same way I go on. Tell me, I tell them about Jamaica, you know, if you get around with these, you know, now if you search, you don't have an idea where I go on. If you don't understand what I say, and I'm not to worry about. I don't know what take place in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Trust me, I feel that Junction is one of the richest town in Jamaica, man. It's small, but trust me, you can feel the energy. You can feel the energy in a Junction. So I want to thank you all for watching the channel. Yeah man, remember if you like up the video, share it if you learned something about Jamaica. Subscribe also. One love and one heart. Just want to thank you all. So you all have a blessed day.